And good evening once again, ladies and gentlemen. It is good to see you again. You know, I'm not saying that golf's not what it once was, but I was one of the few people yesterday that sat around Sunday evening and I watched the playoff for the Northern Trust Open at beautiful Riviera Country Club between Charlie Belgian and John Merrick.
Who?
Now, surely you remember Charlie Belgian. He won at Disney last year. Anyway, John Merrick beat him on the second playoff hole to win the Northern Trust Open, which is in LA, obviously. I'm saying that because we got a few big weeks of golf coming up. We got the match play coming up, though. We have Honda, we have Doral, we have the tournament out there in Tarpon Springs, we have Bay Hill later on. But golf kind of gears up right now because Tiger Woods is playing the next 3 weeks. But we'll begin the big stretch with John Merrick's big win over Charlie Belgian. It was actually must-watch TV on the second playoff hole at Riviera. Now later on today, in the world-famous game show called Name That Stiff, our guy is 7'3", 212-pound Keith Kloss, who wasn't even drafted in the NBA. I'll see you guys later on.